Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to review Pradeep Chemistry Class 12. So this book comes in two volumes. In today's video I'm going to review only volume 1 and the next video I'm going to see volume 2. Okay. So NCRT is the best book for class 12, and apart from that, for better board performance and board practice, you need a reference book. So I think Pradeep will serve a very best reference book for you all. So this is 2020, 21, 22 edition, and here are the contents of the book, whatever you have to study. Okay, so in this book you will be finding a periodic table in the first page after the content. After that, this is the first chapter at a solid state. So you can see in this video, in this book, everything is given point wise, which will help you to just remember nicely. And you can even see curiosity questions are also there, which will help you for your boards. And diagrams are there, which will promote a good learning. And then there are problems, and I think this is the best quality of this book, that after every several topic there is a problem for your practice. Okay, and you can see these problems have even come in your board exams. Okay, and also answers are there, and for the difficult questions there are hints provided here, you can see. Okay, and again after exercise several topic, there is an exercise. This is the main thing about this book. And after that you can see a table. Every topic is discussed in a table, in a short form, in a short manner, that you can remember it easily. Okay, and there are numerous practice questions after every single topic, you can see. And hints are also there. Okay, and after that, after every chapter there is supplement for your knowledge for competitions. These are competition focus points which you need to cover. And then comes revision at glance, where all the chapter is summarized. The whole chapter is summarized in the revision at glance. And then comes our objective type questions, competition questions, true false, matching, assertion, reason. These type of questions which usually come in your boards. And you can see here hints for hints explanation for difficult questions are also there. Then comes conceptual questions. You can see numerous questions are there for your practice. Long answer questions. And then comes NCRT in text unsolved questions. There are in text question also in NCRT. And then comes NCRT exercises, you can see. And then NCRT exemplars are also provided. These are exemplar questions. And then comes competition focus. This is for NEET and G special exams for competition. Multiple type of question which usually comes in your exams, competitive exams. You can see numerous questions are there. A certain region in teacher type questions, which these type of questions usually comes in a competitive exams. So I think in this book you will be getting NCRT exercises, NCRT index questions, NCRT exemplar, competition focus, and and curiosity questions. And after every single topic there is a problems for a practice. I think if you will be doing all these, I think one chapter all is all done very nicely, and you just don't need to look at other sites for your practice questions, for practicing the questions. So I think this book will serve you a very great reference book for class 12, and most importantly for boards. It is specially designed for boards, and and also for a NEET and GE. Everything is given in detailed, and in a precise manner, which will just make your study very swiftly. So if you guys wanted to purchase this book, I'm going to provide you a link in the description box, and PDF if you guys want. Then I'm going to upload 2-3 chapters. Okay, and if you guys want more, you can see the description box and let me know in the comment section. And you can even email us on our email address. It's all given on our description box. Thank you everyone.